Good evening, Chennai. Vanakkam. Namaste. Governor of Tamil Nadu, Sri R.N. Ravi ji, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sri M.K. Stalin ji, Ministers and dignitaries, FIDE President, Arkady Dvorkovich, all the chess players and teams participating in this tournament, chess lovers from all over the world, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to the 44th Chess Olympiad being held in India. The most prestigious tournament in chess has come to India, the home of chess. This tournament is here at a special time in India's history. This is the year we are marking 75 years of freedom from colonial rule. It is our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. It is an honor to have you here at such an important time for our country. Friends, I would like to applaud the organizers of this tournament. In a very short period of time, they have made outstanding arrangements. We in India believe in Atithi Devo Bhava, which means our guest is like a god. Thousands of years ago, Sant Tiruvalluvar said, Irun Dombi Ilvad, Badelnam Virun Dombi, Vedan Mai Sheddar Portu. It means the whole purpose of earning a living and having a home is to be hospitable. We will make every effort to make you feel comfortable. We will help you bring your best game to the board. Friends, the 44th Chess Olympiad has been a tournament of many firsts and records. This is the first time the Chess Olympiad is being held in the place of origin of chess of India. It is coming to Asia for the first time in 3 decades. It has the highest ever number of countries participating. It has the highest ever number of teams participating. It has the highest number of entries in the women's section. The first ever torch relay of the Chess Olympiad started this time. This Chess Olympiad will be in memories forever. Friends, since it is 75 years of our freedom, the torch relay for the Chess Olympiad, iconic locations, traveled 7 to 75. Its over 27,000 kilometer journey has ignited the minds of youngsters and motivated them to take up chess. It is also a matter of pride that a torch relay for the Chess Olympiad will always start from India. On behalf of every Indian, I extend my thanks to FIDE for this gesture. Friends, the place at which this Chess Olympiad is happening is most fitting. There are many temples in Tamil Nadu with beautiful sculptures that represent different sports. Sport has always been considered divine in our culture. In fact, in Tamil Nadu, you will find the temple of Chaturang Vallabhanathar. This temple at Thirupunur has an interesting story related to chess. Even God played a game of chess with a princess. Naturally, Tamil Nadu has a strong historical connection with chess. This is why it is a chess powerhouse for India. It has produced many of India's chess grandmasters. It is home to the finest minds, vibrant culture, and the oldest language in the world, Tamil. I hope you get the opportunity to discover Chennai, Mahabalipuram, and nearby areas. Friends, sports is beautiful because it has inherent power to unite. Sport brings people and societies closer. Sport nurtures a spirit of teamwork. 2 years ago, the world began to fight the biggest pandemic seen in the century. For a long time, life came to standstill. In such times, it was various sports tournaments which brought the world together. Each tournament gave the important message: we are stronger when together. We are better when together. I am seeing the same spirit here. The post-COVID period had made us realize the importance of fitness and wellness, both physical and mental. That is why it is important to encourage sporting talent and invest in sporting infrastructure. Friends, I am glad to share that there has never been a better time for sports in India than the present. India had its best ever performances in the Olympics, Paralympics, and Deaf Olympics. We achieved glory, even sports where we had not won earlier. Today, sport is seen as a great profession of choice. India's sporting culture is becoming stronger due to the perfect mix of two important factors: energy of youth and enabling environment. Our talented youngsters, especially from small towns and villages, are bringing glory. It is heartening to see women at the lead of India's
Prime
sport.
Minister Modi there, of course, in Chennai, inaugurating the Chess Olympiad that is now seeing international visitors right now, where India is also a participant there and all set for the Chess Olympiad.